Hey, welcome to the Daily Devo. My name is Diana. Today we are talking about new things. Old things are valuable and new things are valuable. The importance is knowing the difference between when it's time to steward the old and when it is time to embrace the new. In Isaiah, God is talking to the people, the Israelites, and they are currently in captivity as a result of their repeated disobedience and their choice. Yet even so, God is reminding them of the promises of God that God is going to keep. A promise that God is going to keep because He is faithful and merciful. And a promise that will come about even in the midst of the Israelites' difficult circumstances. So listen to Isaiah 43, verses 18 and 19. God says, "Hey, forget the former things. Do not dwell on the past. See, I am doing a new thing. Now it springs up. Do you not perceive it? I am making a way in the desert and streams in the wasteland." The truth of today is that God is able to do a new thing. Even if you cannot yet picture it, God can see a way and God can make a way. This is the crazy image that God is using here. He's talking about bringing a spring, a bubbling up of water in the wasteland, and He's talking about making a way in the wilderness where there often is no way. Both of those images talk about something good, something helpful, something coming about in a challenging environment. So it's often for us when days are difficult, when reality is weary, that we can easily forget and doubt in God's ability to bring about good things right where we are. So growing up in the Midwest, it was so hard to picture a beautiful summer day in the middle of an endless winter storm. You know, the blue skies and the green grass and the birds chirping and incredible temperatures, it seemed near impossible and so far away when you were standing underneath a gray, cloudy, drizzly sky with biting cold winds that stung your face and freezing temperatures. Yet, every year, the seasons did change and the promise of summer did break in. That's similar to what God is saying in today's verse. That promise is coming. God is doing a new thing. It is breaking in. It is making a way in the wilderness. There will be streams to quench your thirst in the wasteland. So today, let's ask God to fill us up with hope that He can do a new thing. He can bring about His promise even in the most unlikely and dire circumstances. You see, His peace that transcends all understanding, it can meet you right in the midst of your fear and your worry. His wisdom that He freely gives can guide you in the most intense unknowns and responsibilities. And His forgiveness can completely wash you white as snow. Through faith alone in Jesus Christ, you will receive the grace of God. The question is, will you look again to His promise? Because nothing can stop the promise of God. It is His to bring about.